Hey there, this is Tejesh Kaliki. In this video, we are going to discuss about the angle between two straight lines. In the xy plane, consider two lines L1 and L2. Now we need to find the angle between them. But if you observe carefully, there are actually two angles between them, right? One of them is an acute angle, which is nothing but an angle less than 90 degrees, and the other will be an obtuse angle. The acute angle is referred to by theta and the obtuse angle by phi. When talking about the angle between two lines, we are actually talking about the acute angle, that is theta. Let the slope of line L1 be m1 and the slope of another line be m2. Then tan theta, that is tan of the acute angle, is equal to modulus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now how do you find phi? It is easy, right? The total is 180 degrees, so therefore phi is nothing but 180 minus theta. Let's try solving a problem. The slope of two lines are 3 and 1 by 2 respectively. Find the angle between them. Now we are given two slopes, that is m1 is equal to 3 and m2 is equal to 1 by 2. So now we just have to substitute them in the formula to get the value of theta. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. By substituting this, we get modulus of 1 by 2 minus 3 by 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2, which is nothing but modulus of minus 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. By cancelling, we get modulus of minus 1. We know that modulus of minus 1 is nothing but 1. So therefore, tan theta is equal to 1. And at what angle is the tan equal to 1? It is 45 degrees, right? So therefore, theta is equal to 45 degrees. The slope of a line is double the slope of another line. If the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3, find the slopes of the lines. Now here we are given that the slope of a line is the double of the slope of another line. So therefore the slopes of the line will be m and 2m. Now it is given that tan of the angle between them is 1 by 3. So therefore tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. We know that tan theta is nothing but modulus of m2 minus m1, which is 2m minus m by 1 plus m1 m2, which is nothing but 1 plus m into 2m. And this is equal to 1 by 3. By simplifying this, we get modulus of m by 1 plus 2m square is equal to 1 by 3. Now here there are actually two cases. In the first case, m by 1 plus 2m square is equal to 1 by 3. And in the second case, m by 1 plus 2m square is equal to minus 1 by 3. In both of these cases, the modulus will be 1 by 3, right? Now we will solve the case 1. By cross multiplication and bringing the terms to the same side, we get 2m square minus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this. 3m is nothing but minus 2m minus m, right? So by simplifying this, we get 2m minus 1 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, in the first case, m will be equal to 1 by 2, and in this case, 2m is nothing but 1. And in the another case, m will be equal to 1. So therefore, 2m is equal to 2. Now we will solve the case 2. Similar to the first one, we get 2m plus 1 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, m will be either minus 1 by 2, and in this case 2m is minus 1, or m can be minus 1, and in this case 2m is equal to minus 2. So therefore, we have got total of 4 cases, and all these cases satisfy the given problem. Now try solving the following practice problems. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to the channel.